I am Miss Hannah and I work at Carnegie-Stout Public Library. Thanks for joining us for Edible Science today. We are going to be making rolled ice cream. It's been popular for the last couple years and it's going to be simple to make with 3 ingredients. The 3 ingredients that you need are 1 cup of heavy whipping cream, a half a cup of sweetened condensed milk, and since this is a cookies and cream flavor, we are going to also use 3 Oreos. The other supplies that you will need is a small bowl, a whisk or some sort of spoon, a large metal baking tray with sides. This is called an offset spatula or something similar to this. And optional ingredients or helpful supplies would be a measuring cup like this for liquids. And if you want something heavy like a rolling pin, and a plastic bag. Could be smaller than this. All right, let's get started. The first thing that we are going to do is we are going to add our cream to our bowl. So you add all of this because this is 1 cup. Then we are going to measure a half a cup of the sweetened condensed milk. Make sure it's not the evaporated, you want the sweetened condensed, the heavy stuff. And a measure. Okay. One half cup of sweetened condensed milk. Mix the cream and the sweetened condensed milk in your small bowl. Set it aside. Open up your Oreos. Choose 3 and put it in your bag. And shut it. Now you're going to smash your Oreos. You can use something heavy or like a can that's unopened to break up your cookies. Now we are going to add our 3 cups of 3 cookies that are crushed. Now you can use a spoon or your whisk and mix the ingredients. Now I'm going to pour my mixture into the pan. And you can spread it out with a spoon or whatever you have on hand. And now we're going to put it in the freezer for 5 hours. Now that your ice cream has been frozen for at least 4 or 5 hours, what you do is you take your spatula that has a sharp edge here and you put some lines in, like maybe about 2 inches. Some of this is warmer than others. Let's quickly work on this. And I'm going to just quickly get under this, see if I can roll it. It's not rolling that great, but where this is science, where things don't always work. Here we go. Quickly get under, roll, roll. You have to do this right after you get it out of the fridge, or the freezer, excuse me. And mine's been out a few minutes. Okay, here is your roll. Enjoy your homemade ice cream.